I've been in the industry now for more than 30 years, 30 plus years. I was interested in photography when I was younger. I took an apprenticeship as a camera operator and I came out of my time as a scanner operator. Well, the ISO training that I provide is really about putting in place or trying to get a culture change within a company. So, a lot of the customers I deal with are already producing high quality results, but they're not measuring and controlling and really tracking, looking at trends, what's happening with their colour. So the training I provide gives them a systematic approach to controlling their colour. Well, the pitfalls can be, if they're not having a systematic approach, they'll be not entirely happy with their colour. Sometimes they'll get surprises with their colour. So the customer will turn up and say, gee, I didn't think it was going to come out like that. Some of the common problems I see with printing companies are they have an uncalibrated workflow. They usually don't have a systematic approach to controlling colour. They don't have process control. They don't have a quality management system. So they're not measuring and controlling and looking for continuous improvement. Well, these problems can affect their business. It'll cause them to do reruns, so reprints that cost time and money. They'll often go back to the starting point. So in the case of digital, the problem can be with the printer, but they'll go back and adjust the original file to get the colour right, which can mean adjust, print, adjust, print. They'll have excessive consumables costs, so excessive ink costs, etc. And this really is adding up to wasted time and wasted resources. Well, I can help printers with 6 steps: training, measuring, reporting, viewing systems, soft proofing, and then of course monitoring all of this for continuous improvement. What I find my customers are striving for is predictability of colour, consistency of colour and accuracy of colour. And without a systematic approach, without procedures, training, measurement, records, without that sort of approach, you're not going to be able to achieve that. So it's about having a colour quality management system in place. Well, I'll deal with a lot of different printing companies really. Commercial sheetfed offset printers, heat set web printers, cold set, which is newsprint, wide format, digital production printers, even photographers that are doing photographic output. By nature, I like problem solving. It's part of what I do, it's always been in me. But I like to be able to tell people the truth and help them to achieve their goals. So I can assist them by doing that, especially with colour, by giving them training and showing them, providing them with tools, whether that's software and hardware, to achieve accurate, predictable, consistent colour.